Well, well, well. What do we have here? Oh, Splinter-cell Blacklist. Paladin Multi-Mission Aircraft Edition. Let's unbox this. Well, hey, the batteries in the camera just gave out and I had to charge it up. Okay, anyway, let's get this Minecraft cube up here. Boom! And there it is in the light. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh, aeroplane. Yeah, this is the PS3 version, by the way. And it's been in Walmart for like 2 years. I'm just sitting there and it got kind of battered. But that's like the outer layer of it. Yeah, the inside layer is not so bad. Which is good. Let's look at this. Let's examine this box, shall we? Oh, the contents. Moto aircraft. Cool beans. Alright. Let's proceed with removing the outer layer. Without actually breaking said outer layer. Oh my goodness. This is not going to be easy. Alright, hold on. Jump cut, jump cut, jump cut. Okay, this thing was hard to get off. Because there was this tape there keeping it on. So I'm going to snip it away. Oh god, I hope I don't accidentally hit the cardboard. Yes! Success! Alright, let's get this baby off. Oh god. This is not going to be easy. Oh! Everything's easier when you don't have the camera in your hand. Okay. Oh, I got this upside down. Wait a minute. That was right side up. This was upside down. Okay. Let's correct that. It is corrected. Ooh. Dun dun dun. What do we have? Required viewing. Oh Lord. Do not fly your new plane before watching. Yada yada yada. Whatever. Oh. DLC. Oh. No, I'm probably not gonna use this. So if you've seen it, I don't really care, you know. Okay, what's this? Flight manual. Oh, I can become a pilot by reading this. And what's this? Huh? Quick start guide. Wow. Every information you need to know is in that. Yep. And oh, comic. Okay, that's pretty awesome. You know, I really like comics, so cool. Shit. Hope it doesn't hit the iceberg. Okay. Oh, and the game. Haha. Now, I really want to go take a look at that aeroplane. Oh. Now this is what I call fancy. Oh, the plane's made of styrofoam. Of course, lightweight material. I expect it made of actual aluminum or something. Aircraft aluminum? Yeah. This is not going to be easy. Hold on. Okay, the top layer has been removed. Now it's the body and wing of the aircraft. The fuselage, is it? Oh, tail part. Or the one half of it. And there's the rest of it. Okay. See how easy this is gonna come out. fairly easy. Thank God. Anything else in there? Oh, air! And here it is. I am impressed. Okay, before I assemble the plane here, I got to point out that this flight manual is more interesting than I thought. Observe. It, my friends, hold on, is actually, well, as far as for being a manual, is actually a big poster. You know, that is awesome. Whoa, whoa, I don't want to, oh, I just broke it. I have broken it. But that's not that bad. Holy crap. That's one big poster. Oh, that's going up on my wall. As soon as I find some room for it. That thing's huge, man. I soon assembled the plane. Here's your pilot, Lord NEZUNBOXING speaking. We're about to crash. Wow. Plop. Here is my plane. It is all finished. And I think I kind of did the taping wrong. But well, at least it keeps together because, you know, the tail part and the rest of the plane was separated, and I just wrapped the tape that came with it around, and, you know, it works. And here it is. It is a remote control aircraft, which I'll never fly because I will break it. It wouldn't be the first time that I broke a styrofoam plane that hadn't been remote control. So this thing here is going on display. Yay! Oh! But first I need to make room for this fine piece of art, because that's how I see this thing, not as a toy, but as art. Yep. Alright, viewers, that's it for this unboxing video. And I really gotta say, this is a pretty sweet box. Look at all the stuff. I got a big ass poster. I got a remote control aircraft, and the game, of course, the game. And well, what I gotta say? It's great. It's great. It's great.